I've been thinking a lot about how often women say they lose themselves after becoming mothers. Today made me realize I didn't lose myself postpartum. I stopped listening to myself. I used to move through moments like this without thinking, cleaning, resetting, doing what needed to be done, but never checking in with myself. Self neglect didn't look dramatic for me. It looked like constantly being busy and calling that productive instead of asking how I actually felt. Lately, I've been learning to slow down enough to listen, to notice when I'm rushing past myself, and to choose presence even in the ordinary things. This is where it starts for me, not with big changes, but with awareness.
Hey,
Morning.
good morning.
What are we about to do now?
We're about to make pancakes.
Yay! Pancakes!
I just wanted pancakes.
Oh, you hold it? Hold it.
There's another pancake box in here.
We got this from Aldi.
Yeah. We're making pancakes.
We're making pancakes.
Aren't we cookers?
We're chefs.
And aren't we chefs?
Yes.
I kind of like cookers better.
Cookers look like chefs. They don't cook.
Okay, we're because.
We just do that. Just do Just Wow. Mommy's making pancakes. Some got away.
Is it yummy, Sarah? Yeah, they're downstairs.
No, it go.
A turtle's supposed to be like this, not this. This is a turtle, but some needs to be like this. It needs to be like this, but it's the wrong way. Let's just let turtle and tick. It's not the same.
Forward, walk, not push. You're pushing backwards, man. Hey,
This one is pushing backwards.
one. See, look at the ball. Good. See, I'm going front. Get the ball.
I was trying to be cinematic.
Coming here used to feel unnecessary to me, like I needed a reason to want anything for myself. But reconnecting with my hobbies has reminded me that joy doesn't need to be justified. It's allowed to exist just because it makes me feel alive again. Listening to myself has looked like following small curiosities and letting that be enough for today.
So now that I'm back from Ross,
Have you clip it with that?
that I-
Self-care used to feel like something extra to me, something I did when everything else was done, which meant it almost never happened. I'm learning that caring for myself isn't indulgent. It's how I stay connected to who I am and who I'm becoming. Taking care of myself has become an act of listening, of honoring my body, my emotions, and my spirit without guilt.
I'm done. The kids are showered. I'm taking a shower for a nice, cozy Saturday. Finishing touches. Wait. Tip spray.
I ate a little bit. Can I drink it? Is it good?
And soup, right?
Yeah, like soup too.
Mm-hmm.
Like meat.
Movie time.
This campaign was at yesterday. God. Beauties are meant to be ready by now.
I just want to say too.
We came over to visit Bruno and Rohandra. Rose about to make some chicken sauce. Chicken Alfredo. For them. We're just here. I'm kidding, Ro. I'm kidding.
Oh, there's something in it. Oh,
Thank you.
Listening to myself hasn't been loud or instant. It's been quiet, slow, and honest. And that's been enough. I'm documenting what it looks like to listen to yourself again after motherhood, with faith, with intention, and with grace. If you're in this season too, you're welcome here.